Look how dark it is at 4:40. Newly released numbers show credit card debt has hit a record high of more than $1 trillion.
These are amazing numbers. You got to hear this. For the first time, more people are rolling their debt from month to month instead of paying it in full. Financial advisor and president of SGL Financial, Steve Lewit, is joining us to talk a little bit more about tackling some of that credit card debt. Hello to you.
Hello to you, and it is getting dark here too.
You know what? I got to think with the holidays coming up, all of these numbers are going to get even worse because people are using their credit card to pay for some of the things that they want right now. What are you sort of predicting, and how are people getting ready for it?
So the holiday season is coming, and people love to spend money on the holiday seasons, is giving gifts. And the problem is everything is more expensive. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates. Inflation is up. So what is happening is people are actually spending more for less goods, putting tremendous pressure on their budgets. And guess where all those extra payments are going? Right on the credit cards. This is very expensive debt, and whatever you do, got to watch it. And if you can't pay those balances down.
Even the same amount of debt is costing more this year. Do you think one problem is people tend to look at holiday shopping as, oh, well, it's just this one time of the year. It'll be fine. I'll put it on my credit card.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, you see, especially you go bargain hunting and you say, oh, I can get that TV at 30% off. I got to have it. I'm going to save 30%. But then it goes on your credit card and you don't pay it off at the end of the month. So now you get hit with the interest rate. And the interest rate is just below 30%. It's at 27%. So all the savings you get on bargain shopping and give away in the interest rate, that'll take you another year to pay off when you buy that gift for someone or for yourself.
Okay, so if you are one of these individuals who maybe you've got your credit card maxed out at this point or getting close, how do you tackle all of that? Because it can be sort of daunting to think about, okay, which one do I pay first and how much? What do I do? What do you think?
Yeah, that's great. It is daunting, especially if you're on a tight budget. What can you possibly do? Well, you can try and squeeze some extra payment over and above the minimum, so you can accelerate the payment off of the credit card. You could pay off the lower credit card amounts first and get that done, and then that's like a snowball effect. So you really feel good about it, and then you get the next one. You could move to a zero balance, do a transfer of debt. So you would have a zero interest balance for a year or two. Thing to be careful with there is that these balances are expensive. It could cost you 2 to 4% to transfer a balance to a zero interest credit card.
All righty, Steve Lewit, president of SGL Financial. Thank you so much for joining us. Happy Thanksgiving.
Same to you. Thank you.